What's up, guys? You're safe, right? It's kind of quiet in here, so like.
I'm hoping that claw actually grabs.
We go for this. For the dogs. Pull it out right here. Oh, what? I ran out of time. What did you guess? Trying to get that dog under its nose.
I really don't know if we could want anything out that claw machine.
Panda.
What? I'm a panda.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my. Okay. This claw's bad. Alright, what's up, guys? We're continuing our game of playing machines. So let's see.
Yeah, I was thinking this one looks really easy.
Yeah, that looks really easy. I can't believe someone just left us here. Like, that's a crime. Oh, first try? Come on. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, yes.
First try.
First try.
You should go for that Nemo right there, too.
Let's do it.
He looks very gettable.
It does. It's very. Oh. Really, Nemo?
He does look gettable, though.
It's kind of weird. Oh, that's perfect. I might have it. Oh, yes. Nice. Oh, nice. Tumbled in.
Look at that. So that makes 10 now.
That does. 10. We are a little less than halfway.
15.
He just went like right here. Let's try that. Oh, that might be good. That might be good.
Oh, that's perfect.
Come on. Yes.
That's perfect.
Stay in.
And then if it even falls, I was gonna say even if it fell, there's a chance for it flopping in there. Yeah, I was gonna say the one that's promoting Walgreens instead of Fry's.
I think that's actually a sports team. I'm not really quite sure though. Oh,
That did not close, but that's still.
Wait.
I don't think it's gettable.
There's that freaking sea otter again. Oh, those turtles look cool. Those are our collections. Let's try this right there, you think?
I think so.
Ooh.
So,
Oh,
I think it's
maybe.
good. I think that's good.
Oh, man. I don't know. It seems kind of hard, huh? Uh-huh. All the way left? Now, a little... Oh, okay, just drop it. Maybe. Oh.
I think if I went back to it,
Let me get in there, buddy. Let Clawmaster do his thing.
He may have it, actually.
Oh, got him. All right, that was easy. All right, go ahead. Go ahead and yep. Here we go. We got that.
This one. Nemo.
We found Nemo finally.
Yeah, after all these years.
Out of like 16 years. And Mexico. Cool. A new snapback for you. You can support our. We should ship that to Trump or something. I'm sure he.
No luck to Trump. Maybe. That would be crazy.
Oh, that should have it. Stay. Oh, he's wedged. That should have it. Oh my god. This little booger. Every time. I don't know if that was a good idea or not, but I guess we'll find out. Oh, that looks good. Oh, yes. Stay in there. Nice. Is he tagging us?
I can't tell.
Right there. We're going to be so risky. Oh, 2 in a row. Oh my god, by the foot. Oh. to grab it though. Oh, what if I want a dog?